Alright guys, it's Kirk here from Forced Induction Interchillers, and today we're down at Autowerks with Sonny, the owner of Autowerks. He's just finished up on this amazing Jeep Trackhawk. Now, let's hear a little bit about it. Firstly, what's been done to the motor on this, Sonny?
Alright Kirk, so we started with a 426 cubes bottom end, along with some ported heads with a Whipple 3-litre blower, a thermal blanket, stage 2 chiller kit. We've got the Forced Induction Chillers high flow pump, coolant pump. We're running about 20 psi and it's on unleaded.
Yep.
Okay, so it was a
So not even on E85?
No, not yet.
I thought it was E85.
No, the customer may want to go that later on, and the camshaft standard in this as well, so if you go E85 and camshaft...
Jesus Christ, so this made 1,000 horsepower without E85 and stock cam. Right,
Very
okay.
impressive.
And I mean, intake temps, fluid temperature, sorry, just before this, I think we're at minus one. Okay, so for the guys in the States, it's obviously about 30 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's an impressive list of, you know, obviously it's a stroker, but there's not really a whole lot done to it. It means the Whipple 3.0, 426, and, you know, as we just saw on the dyno, it laid down 1,000 horsepower, all fours. And I can't believe it's not even on E85. I mean, it's insane. That's making heaps of power. And man, in terms of chiller installations, Sonny, you've done quite a few now. Oh, I'd say probably 50, 60 chillers at least.
Yeah, approximately around there.
You know, a lot of Commodores, Mercedes, but this was your first Jeep Trackhawk. So how did you go with the install on this?
That's definitely right. So this was my first one, and it was quite an impressive install. It went on very easily, but it's one of those things where once you do one, you've done all of them.
Awesome. Look, I'm impressed with the results. 1,000 horsepower, you know, yes, it's modified, but, you know, not heaps of mods.
It drives very nice on the road like a factory car. With being with a stock cam, that's what the customer was chasing.
Yeah, absolutely. It would drive like factory,
for
basically.
in this car with a cam in E85.
Yeah,
definitely.
100%. I mean, stock cam, that's going to drive like factory, essentially, just with a stroker.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Got a lot of torque.
All right. Well, look, I'm really impressed, and I think everyone else will be too.
Thanks, Kirk.
Thanks. Bye.